Okay, I have to be honest with you. A week ago, I felt awful. I was bloated all the time. My energy was non-existent by 3 p.m. And I felt stuck in a cycle of eating junk food that just made me feel worse. I kept telling myself, I'll start Monday, but Monday never came. What if you could completely reset your body, kill your sugar cravings, and feel more energized than you have in months? In just 7 days? Not by starving yourself, but by eating more of the right things. That's exactly what I decided to find out. And the results were not what I was expecting. Welcome to my ultimate 7-day healthy eating challenge. And trust me, it was a challenge. The goal was simple. For 7 days, I followed 5 basic rules. 1. No processed foods. 2. No refined sugar. 3. Drink 3 liters of water a day. 4. Eat at least 5 servings of veggies. 5. No eating 3 hours before bed. That's it. It doesn't sound that hard, right? That's what I thought too. My why for doing this was simple. I was sick of feeling sick and tired. I wanted to see if food was really the problem or if this was just how I was supposed to feel now. I took a before photo, not just of my body, but of my face, so I could see if there was any change in puffiness or my skin. Okay, it's the end of day 1. I have a headache. I'm guessing this is the sugar withdrawal everyone talks about. All I want is a cookie. This is going to be a long week. Days 1 and 2 were the hardest, without a doubt. My body was in shock. I had to clean out my entire pantry to avoid temptation. On day 2, my coworker brought in donuts, and it took every ounce of my willpower not to eat one. I was grumpy, I was tired, and I was seriously questioning my life choices. But I pushed through. I focused on making my food as delicious as possible so I didn't feel deprived. For breakfast, I stuck to protein-packed smoothie bowls or scrambled eggs with spinach. For lunch, I made huge salads with grilled chicken and a lemon tahini dressing. And for dinner, it was things like baked salmon with roasted broccoli and sweet potato. The key was high volume. I was eating a lot of food, so I never felt hungry. My secret weapon for cravings? A handful of berries or a cup of herbal tea. It wasn't a chocolate bar, but it worked. And then on day 4, something amazing happened. I woke up before my alarm, and I didn't feel like a zombie. I felt good, really good. The headache was gone, the brain fog was lifting, and the craziest part, the bloating around my stomach was disappearing. Okay, it's day 4 and I feel incredible. I went for a walk this morning and felt like I could have run a marathon. This is working. By day 5 and 6, I was on a roll. My skin looked clearer, my sleep was deeper, and I wasn't having that 3 p.m. slump. I felt in control for the first time in a long time. Finally, day 7 arrived. It was time for the big reveal. I was nervous, but also excited. First, let's talk about the numbers. In just 7 days, I lost 5 pounds. But honestly, that wasn't even the best part. The real transformation was in how I felt and looked. Let me show you. Look at the difference in the bloating around my waist and my face. The puffiness is gone, my eyes look brighter. This is not from a fancy skin cream, this is from food. I had more energy, more focus, and I felt happier. All from a simple 7-day challenge. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is great, but how do I actually do this and make it last? Sticking to a plan can be the hardest part, and having a clear guide makes all the difference. This 7-day challenge is an incredible start, but it's just the beginning of a real lifestyle change. If you are serious about your health and want to get lasting results without the guesswork, I have linked my #1 recommended solution in the description below. It's a complete system that includes the exact meal plans, grocery lists, and a step-by-step guide to make healthy eating simple and sustainable. It's what I personally use to stay on track beyond just 7 days. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start transforming, click that first link in the description right now to check it out. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, Do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this video with more people who might need it. And now I'm passing the challenge on to you. Comment below with I'm in. If you're going to try this 7-day challenge for yourself, I want to hear all about your journey. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, where I'll be sharing the top 5 healthy foods that are actually sabotaging your weight loss. Thank you so much for watching. Now go get started on your challenge.